Welcome back. Problem number 1068, product sales analysis. You have this table, which is we have sale ID, product ID, year, quantity, and price, and all of them are integers. The sale ID and year is a primary key, which is combination of columns with unique values of this table, and the product ID is a foreign key reference to a column to product table, and each row of this table shows a sale on product ID in a certain year. So we need to note that the price is per unit. We have this table product, we have product name and product ID, and the product ID, as quite obvious, is a primary key, and each row of this table indicates the product name of each product. So we need to write a solution to report the product name, year, and price for each sale ID in the sales table. We need to return the resulting table in any order. It doesn't have a specific order. And we have this example. Okay, when you have a SQL problem, first we need to identify the requirements. We need to write solution to report the product name from the product table and the sales, and from the sales table we need the year and the price. Okay, this is the full conclusion of what we need to do. So if you can see here, we have this table of sales and the table of the products. So we have the product name, which is Nokia, Apple, Samsung. We put all of them. And also we have the which year they are coming from. It's in the sales table. And the price, that also in the sales table. So right now we need to have a table with three things. So we need to select. We need to select three things. First, we need to select the product name. So I will call it, I will make an alias for it, which is product equals P. So the product, which I'm looking for product name. Also, I want to select S dot year, and also I want to select S dot price. And we will do that from which table? And we will do this from the sales, which will be S. And also we need to join because we have two tables. Product table, which will be P. And we will query on S dot product ID. Let me copy the product ID here. That equals to P dot product ID. Okay, so let's make a quick explanation. We have from sales equal S. This specifies that we need we are selecting data from the sales table, and we assign it an S, and we assign it as S for easier reference. And here we select P dot product name, S dot year, S dot price. So we join the product table. So we join product on a product ID. This joins the sales table with the product table, where product ID matches in both tables. And we select product name, year, and price. This select the product name from the product table and the year and price from the sales table. So this query will return the table with product name, year, and price. So again, first we select what we need to do from the sales table, and we join the product table on the on any sales product ID that equals be the product ID. So that's it for this one, and see you in the future.